Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to dive into 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day. Now, these keywords are amazing. They have amazing analytics. We're going to break down the results. And we are also using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions in order to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords in this channel. Now, if you would like to know the Chrome extensions that we are using, go ahead to the page and where the channel is, and in the search bar simply write the word Chrome and the video will appear right here. Alternatively, the video is also linked in the description box below this video, so you can be able to see the Chrome extensions, access them all for free, and do your own keyword research that way. Now, with that being said, let's head over and talk about the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword is for the day is Christmas traditions around the world for kids, with a strong keyword niche score of 52 by self-publishing titans and a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, 52 and number 8 beautifully complement each other. We also have the search results. The total results are under 1,000, which is sitting at 623. The average bestseller rank is quite high, but I'm personally not so concerned about that, because I would intend to write a book or two that is more considered of a medium to high content book in this keyword and then move on to the next. So please don't be intimidated by the high bestseller rank. This is to help you to diversify the different niches in your portfolio, and I would highly recommend you get started writing a book in this keyword. Preferably it would be a high content book where you would dive into different Christmas traditions around the world. Do not mention any specific year number in your title or in your subtitle, and you would be able to divide it, make sure it's for children. Now, you can also choose the age group of the children that you are targeting, whether that is children that are as young as between the ages of 3 to 5, for example, where it would be simple words along with some simple images as well, or whether you are targeting children between the ages of 7 to 9 and then 9 to 12, for example. Now, the different ages, the content of the book would be different, of course, and it would be advisable to create a book preferably for children around the age of 10 to 12 years old. That way you could be able to dive into the Christmas traditions even further, and you could also test their literacy that way and provide a bit of an educational twist as well, and then have a part 2 where it would be a combination of an activity and coloring book that uses the exact same images in the high content book to inspire them, but more to do with different activities. So there would be a part 1 where it's a high content book, and a part 2 where it is a combination of an activity book and a coloring book as well. Now, we also have the average reviews of 56 and an average price of $10.16. Now, I do understand as of making this video, it is now January. We have just finished with the 2023 Christmas, but this is not to say that you do not start creating these books to help them get ranked and to be able to get them to sell in further Christmases in the next upcoming years, hopefully as well. Now, with that being said, let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and our second keyword for the day is connected to the first one, but it has much more better potential, and that is Traditions of Christmas 2023 book, and it has a strong keyword niche score of 78 by self-publishing titans. And it also has a strong keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 8, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. The total results are also quite acceptable within the 1,000 to 2,000 range, and the total results are currently sitting at 2,470. The average bestseller rank is 214,626, which is also great to see, and it is within that 300,000 and under range. The average reviews are a high 386, and the average price is much more higher than the previous, which is currently sitting at $13.42. Now, one caution with this keyword here is that although the 2023 is mentioned, do not mention it in your title and do not mention it in your subtitle as well. You can, now we have finished with 2023. There's no need to mention that. It would give the look that your book is outdated, and it would limit it. And also, we are done with 2023. There is no need for that, but not to say that this keyword is not important. The analytics, the data here prove that this keyword is quite strong, and then you would be able to preferably utilize this keyword for your title and then have this for your subtitle. That way you would be ranking for both of the keywords. Let me know what you think about these two keywords and whether you would want to create low content, medium content, and high content books for. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.